Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, the 2025 Ram RHO. Ram has just unveiled the TRX replacement, and yes, the supercharged V8 that's good for 702 horsepower is gone. And in its place is a 540 horse twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder that starts now $26,000 less than the TRX. Everything that the TRX brought to the table is still here, minus the glorious V8. According to Ram, this TRX replacement will still be quick, with a 4.6 0 to 60 time and a 13.1 quarter mile. Now for comparison, that's only slightly slower than the TRX, which could hit 60 in 3.7 and run the quarter mile at 12.3 at 110 miles an hour. The RHO gets a new grille, new revised Ram logo that features a flow-through design for more airflow and now sits even higher. The twin-turbo inline 6 is good for 540 horsepower and 521 foot-pounds of torque, and made it to Ram's 8-speed ZF automatic transmission and feeds to a full-time all-wheel drive system. Now, while the RHO is down 162 horsepower and 129 foot-pounds of torque, its high-output Hurricane engine is some 150 pounds lighter than the V8 which it replaces. So this should help with weight balance and overall agility of the truck. Ram is also claiming better EPA numbers even with these 35s, but still waiting on certification from the EPA. The same powertrain found in other Ram 1500s is good for 15 city and 21 highway. Again, in comparison to the TRX, got 10 city and 14 highway. Underneath, the RHO is nearly identical to the TRX. Both share a fortified frame along with a long travel suspension, forged aluminum upper and lower control arms, and Bilstein dampeners. 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory all-terrain tires are standard and wrapped around a set of 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels that are optional. Taking a look on the inside, the RHO benefits from the recent 2025 Ram 1500 updates. A new 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and newly available for 2025 is a 14.5-inch vertical-mounted touchscreen, using the newest Uconnect 5 software. There's also an optional 10.3-inch screen for the passenger, but the driver cannot see this while in motion. That passenger screen comes with an upgraded equipment package that also adds a 360-degree camera system, fully digital rear-view mirror, dual wireless charging pads, massaging, heated and ventilated not only front seats but rear seats, heads-up display, power-adjustable pedals with memory, a 19-speaker Harman Kardon 900-watt sound system, along with driver assistance features like driver attention warning, evasive steering assist, and hands-free highway driving. And for those wondering, the RHO does not stand for Ram High Output. Rather, it stands for a short acronym of RHINO, which, yes, is not a TRX, but still a badass animal nonetheless with a giant horn on its face. The center console gives you your VIN and a picture of said Rhino. The RHO will start $26,000 cheaper than the TRX at $71,990. And for those keeping in mind, that's cheaper than the $80,325 Ford Raptor. Available to order now, and we should see these hitting showrooms starting in the third quarter of this year. Full pricing will be available closer to launch. Overall, this is exactly what I thought was going to happen. This is now a direct competitor to that EcoBoost Raptor, but Ford still weighs a lot less with its aluminum body. The RHO keeps all that was good with the TRX, minus that glorious engine, but still gets a really nice set of upgrades inside and still is the best looking interior in the truck industry. A better face, and can't wait to see the comparisons with other YouTubers and exactly, is the RHO faster than a Raptor, or does the Raptor continue with that crown? If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment on what you think of the new Ram RHO. As always, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time.